Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you guys how to create business email address using Gmail. So the first thing that you have to do is to go to your Gmail. I will go from this link right here. You can also go via searching. Now once you're on Gmail, click on the settings button right here. It will open up the quick settings. Now in here, click on see all settings. Now in here you would have all your settings. Now in here you would have to go to accounts and import. And in here, you would see using Gmail for work. Businesses get username at the rate of example.com, email, and much more. Now, in here, click on try at no cost. Now, the thing with this is that you would have to buy a subscription of Google Workspace, which is free for the first 14 days, after which you would have to pay monthly or yearly, depending upon your subscription. So, in here, click on try at no cost for 14 days. Now here in the contact information, you would have to add your name, address, and your other card details. And after that, click on checkout. And after that, you would have bought a subscription of Google Workspace. Now, after that, you have two options. You can either import your existing domain or create a new domain entirely. After which, it will give you the option to create your own business email address using Gmail, which you can use for business purposes. So that is pretty much it. And I hope this video helped you. And if it did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.